watch JV basketball, right?
You're already playing basketball?
I'm not. I can't.
Are you good money?
I can't get football.
Alright, kids. Whatever you're doing, we're gonna stop just a second and look up here. Okay, what you're given here is the acid formula. Right here, they want you to name, not the formula, but name the anion. Then, name the acid. Okay? Over on this column is basically what we call salts. They are ionic compounds, metal plus a non-metal anion. Does everybody understand that? What are salts? Put metal plus non-metal. Now that anion can be a non-metal from the periodic table, or it can be a polyatomic non-metal. Okay? What you don't know yet is an acid-base reaction produces a salt always, and this is where these salts come from. You will learn that next semester. So right now you only have your introduction to what an acid is here, and you know these because we've worked nearly 200 of them in binary and ternary compounds, writing these formulas and names, and they're all called salts. Okay? And these are products of acid-base reactions. Alright, so what do they want from us? You probably want to start over here, even though the anion is put here. We're going to start over here because you'll need the room for your name of your acid. Okay, anion brings up the back end. Everybody put your finger over H and you're looking at the anion. Does that make sense? Okay, alright. So Cl is from the periodic table. Chlorine is the element name, but I want the name of the anion. It is chloride. Does everybody understand? Yeah. So we're going to write chloride. Okay? Now then, acid name. Is that a binary acid?
Yeah.
Yes. 2 capital letters. What's its name?
Hydrochloride.
Hydrochloric. Remember, take IDE and put on IC.
Hydrochloric.
Hydrochloric acid. Okay, so they're making you think. So you're going to have to look at your naming rules. If you go back to that paper and turn your acid paper back over, let me find mine. Do you see the anion ending for binary was what? IDE. Okay, look what we did. Chloride, IDE, binary ending, had to go to what? Hydro and then ic. All right. Cover up the H. What do you see? So do you need your periodic table and your polyatomic sheet out? Yep. What is the name of the polyatomic SO4?
Sulfate.
Sulfate. Okay. The acid, take off the ATE and put on what? IC. So the acid, and put the R back in the sulfur. So what's the acid name?
Sulfuric acid.
Put the R back in.
Sulfuric.
Okay. Cover up the H. Go find NO2. What's its name?
Nitrate.
Not what?
Nitrate.
Nitrite. Look at the number of O's. Be very careful when you do. NO2 is what? Nitrite. Okay. Now, name the acid, please.
Nitrous S.
Yes. Cover up the H. Who's PO4?
Phosphate.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Take off the ATE and put on what? The R and the IC. So what's its name?
Phosphoric acid.
Mm-hmm. Cover up the H. Who's CrO4?
Chromate.
Okay, take off the ATE and what do you have?
Chromic.
Cover up the H. What do you got?
Chlorate.
Chlorate. Take off the 8 and put on it. What is it?
Chloric acid.
Everybody going pretty good on that? Anybody have any questions? Alright, let's go to the right side.
Why would you put the R back in there again?
Because that's just the name of the acid. You just have to. It's not sulfic acid. It's sulfuric acid.
So we just kind of have to remember this.
Yes. That's why I tell you on sulfur and phosphate, sulfate and phosphate, you have to put the R back in. Okay? Alright. Binary naming right here. What's its name?
Sodium chloride.
That's right. That's all you have to do. Who is this?
Lithium.
Lithium who?
Sulfate.
Polyatomic. Go find it. SO4.
Lithium sulfate.
Yes. Now then, anytime you're naming and you've got the parentheses, again, I'm telling you, you only look inside the parentheses to name the last name. Who is BA?
Barium.
Who's NO2?
Nitrite.
Okay. First name?
Calcium. Calcium phosphate.
Yep. First name?
Potassium. Chromate.
Okay, first name.
Barium.
ClO3.
Chlorate.
Chlorate. Anybody have any questions? Alright.
Wait, so on the salt, are they all